Hello YouTube, and after Christmas I'm still being given lights to fix. So this is a set of LED lights that goes around a model village and stuff, and kind of blue tack and whatever. But anyway, it's powered by little box 3 AA cells, and they've had an accident. They've had an incident where the wire has become detached. So you can see here there's a break in the wire here where my finger is. Come on, focus. Well, it's there. So it's been rubbing on the plastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bit of hot glue in there to stop it rubbing. Refit the wire there. Cut the leads back, solder them back on, and refit this resistor. So this resistor was attached to the switch, and this wire was attached here. So I'm going to have a little bit of a go, getting it all back together again and making it a bit stronger. Right, so it didn't take long. I've soldered the wires back on and the resistor back on. I've put a bit of heat shrink over the wires to stop it chafing, and as you can see, they are now lit. Well, hopefully you can see that they're a bit. Yeah, you can see they're on. They're lit. They're not the brightest in the world. Are they all on? Was there some of them that are... they're all a bit flashy and flickery, but you know what? I don't care. So what I'm going to do now is just put a touch of hot glue around here to hold the wires in so they don't pull it out again. Yeah, famous last words. And we'll see what it looks like after that. Right, so I've bunked some hot glue on there. And before it sets, I'm going to put the lid on. So lid goes on like so. So hopefully it'll kind of spurt out the hole a little bit. Ish. Might just put a bit more glue in there. A touch more glue later and we're done. So they are now fixed, and we have pretty lights which seem to flicker when you touch them, but we'll ignore that for now. We'll wait till they come back again, shall we? Right, that was a quick video, and see you later.